K7QO Marker Generator from QRPGuys. It's a simple kit. As you can see, there's not very many parts on it, and it is quick and easy to assemble. Sadly, this kit is no longer being produced, but the schematic and the microprocessor code are still online, so you can make your own still if you wanted to. So what is a marker generator? It simply generates a tone every so many kilohertz. As you can see here, the choices are 50, 25, 10, and 5 kilohertz. You just press this button and it will cycle through the choices, and one, both, or none of these LEDs will light up to indicate which one you've chosen. So why would you want one? Well, there are a number of good uses. First, it provides a good signal at any time on every band. So for example, if you have a receiver you just finished building, you can tune it to one of the tones and finish the alignment and the peaking and all that stuff. Once it's peaked, you can also leave it on that frequency and monitor the drift if you think your receiver might be drifty. The generator is crystal controlled, so it provides a steady tone. And if your receiver doesn't have a frequency counter, you can use this to mark the dial if you set it to the 5 kilohertz setting, and just every time you hear the tone, put a tick mark on your dial. One thing I've noticed, and that K7QO also points out in his user guide, is that the odd frequencies are stronger. For example, 14.050 megahertz will have a much louder tone than 14.000 megahertz. And also the larger frequency steps will have stronger signals than the smaller ones. It comes with this 3.3 volt coin cell battery, but you can take that off and give it 5 volts here, and you'll get overall stronger signals by using a higher supply voltage. The generator here does not need any direct connection to a receiver. This orange wire coming out the top here acts as a small antenna, and as long as it's reasonably close to the receiver, it will get picked up. So now a quick demo. This is a regenerative receiver that I built at Pacificon 2021. It covers the 40 meter band plus a little above and below. And if I turn this generator on and we set it so both lights are off, so it'll be 50 kilohertz. If we tune around, we'll hear the tone eventually. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can. And if we keep going up, we'll hear it again in 50 kilohertz. Here it is. This is 25 kilohertz steps. So you can hear them all.